안녕하세요. AI 메터스입니다. AI 시대 마케터들이 반드시 알아야 할 변화에 대해 짚어보겠습니다.
You know, for decades, marketing was basically all about one thing, winning the search engine game. But that game, it's over. As this quote says, the new consumer journey doesn't start with a search bar, it starts with a conversation. And the brand that gets recommended by the AI first, well, that's the brand that wins. Right, so let's just get straight to it. We really need to talk about the end of search as we know it. And I'm not talking about a small update here. This is a complete replacement of the path customers take to find you. Getting a handle on this new path, that's the first and most critical step you can take right now. I mean, just look at the difference here. On the left, that's the old way we all know. You have a need, so you open what? A dozen tabs? You're trying to compare specs, read conflicting reviews, and maybe, just maybe, you eventually make a purchase. It's messy, it's full of friction. But now, look at the right. In the AI era, that entire convoluted process gets compressed into one single, clean interaction. A need, a question to an AI, and a direct recommendation that leads straight to a purchase. All of that research work is outsourced. So how can we really wrap our heads around this new path? Well, you can understand it through a simple but really powerful new model. It's called DCA, Desire, Chat, Action. This is the new blueprint for how consumers behave. And here it is, the DCA model, which was proposed by Hamshaut Global. It maps out the journey perfectly. First, there's desire. That's the initial need, the spark. Then you have chat, the pivotal conversation with the AI. And that leads directly to action, the purchase. It's just a straight line from want to advice to buy. And let's be super clear about this. That chat phase is everything. This is the new battleground for brands. It used to be that you had to show up across dozens of different places, blogs, review sites, forums. But now, you have to win one single incredibly important moment, that conversation with the AI, because that AI has become the consumer's most trusted advisor and filter. And this isn't just some abstract theory. The impact is absolutely measurable. Industry reports are showing that leads coming from these AI conversations are converting at a staggering 25 to 30%. So why? It's because the AI has already done the vetting. It's delivering a high-quality, high-intent lead directly to your doorstep. This right here brilliantly illustrates what that trust really looks like. See, the AI isn't just spitting out a link, it's providing context. It's saying, hey, this one is recommended by experts, or this one has the best reviews. It's literally building a case for your brand. And that kind of personalized, authoritative recommendation makes the action phase almost inevitable. So this fundamental change in the customer journey means our goals as marketers have to change too. We have to make a shift from just buying attention to earning real trust and influence within this new AI ecosystem. Think about it. In the past, branding was a direct-to-consumer play. You crafted a message and you pushed it out through ads and PR. But in the AI era, your target audience isn't just the consumer anymore. It's the AI itself. Your goal is now to teach the AI what to say about you. It's a huge shift from direct messaging to building this indirect algorithmic influence. And this means we need a whole new way to measure success. Forget just return on investment. The new key metric is return on influence. This isn't about the immediate sale you get from one ad. It's about the long-term compounding value of being the brand that the AI trusts and recommends. Every single recommendation builds on the last, creating an incredible competitive advantage. And we've got the data to prove that this works. A study from Siege Media found that being featured in an AI recommendation makes direct brand searches absolutely skyrocket. We're talking a 10% lift for B2B brands and a massive 17% for B2C brands. An AI recommendation is a direct pipeline to consumer interest.
Okay, so let's dive into this. I know this can all sound a bit daunting, right? So how do you actually start building your brand's influence in this new AI-driven world? Well, here is a simple, practical, 3-step playbook to get you started.
First things first, assess your footprint. Go to the major AI chatbots and start asking the questions a real customer would ask. See if your brand even shows up, and if it does, how it's being described. That's your baseline. Second, optimize your information flow. You've got to make sure your product info, your pricing, your brand narrative, all of it is always accurate, up-to-date, and accessible online. You need to feed the AI good data. And third, structure your story. Create clear, definitive content about your mission, your history, and what makes you unique. Give the AI a reliable source of truth so it tells your story correctly. The new era of marketing is here. The competition isn't just other brands, it's about being the most trustworthy source for the AI itself. So the question to leave you with is this: how is your brand being remembered by AI? 지금까지 AI 메르시였습니다. 다음 영상에서도 알찬 정보와 인사이트를 가지고 찾아뵙겠습니다.